good morning. We're going to the resort. And I'm already driving. And Daddy's driving across. And I'm already in the car. And on this letter, it's gonna bring on the beach. That's Tita Ante.
Ay, sa tabako naman. Edit out, ha?
You say, I'll update you guys once we're there.
No.
No ba?
No, because I want them to see me.
But the cell phone might be too hot already. Because it's gonna be a
But
long
when
ride.
there's a baby.
Huh?
But guys, Tita Nene, Tita Ante.
Hey, guys.
Mommy, that's it,
Give
Mommy.
it to mommy already. Let's update them when we get there.
Oh, we're already there.
Yeah, guys. Oh, we're going to Zambales.
But sorry, guys, we're gonna update you because you might gonna be hot.
Yeah. Your cell phone?
As you guys are so hot.
Wait, Mommy, please. Can we bring it? It's okay if it's hot. I like hot.
Nee. It's not okay because it's dangerous. It might explode if it's too hot.
Okay. But
Right.
sorry, guys. We're gonna update you when you're already there because the cell phone might
Explode.
explode.
Bye, guys. See
No,
you later.
when I get there.
Okay. Huh? No, it's gonna be a long ride. Oh, it's starting to get hot, oh. Okay, let's... Bye, guys.
We need another but God, please stay. Our Wi-Fi need to hold us. Don't stay. This beautiful thing like the world.
Oh, yun lang? Tapos na?
No, I bring my kite.
But it's raining. How can we play on the sand?
How can I play?
Sobrang bilog pa rin ang mukha ko.
And my building might be wet.
You just have to sing Rain, Rain, Go Away.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Princess, I want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
And then you have to pray to Papa Jesus.
Rain, rain,
To pray?
go.
Papa Jesus?
Papa Jesus, please stop the way. Because we're going to Zambales. And please make the rain go away.
Thank you.
And please, no, the demon make us bad.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Amen.
Amen. Again.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Bangon kami ba niya?
Yeah. So, ito, maglalakad na kami papunta sa beach. Orasan natin. Habang naambon.
Feel ko nagsara na yung sinasabi nila kuyang parang club.
Hindi. Nag-open yan every
paggabi?
weekend. So, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Siguro mga naka-late check-in pa yung ano kasi wala pa. Fully book sila pero wala pang naka-check-in.
Parang kulang pa nga.
Sana? Dito? Dito ba?
Try natin. Tapos
Siguro.
lakad naman tayo pag ano.
Lahat na balik?
Mataan.
Pero parang hindi dito kasi may mga chares.
Mga bato.
natin kung dito ba dumaan sina Daddy. Tingnan natin, i-judge natin ang ano. I-judge, charis. Ito judgment. Oh. Hindi pa? Hindi, no? Ano, guys? Pero may daan? Ah, si Kuya.
Ang layo.
Oh, ang layo.
Ate, sumunod din sa kanila kuya siguro yun. Baka may tricycle dito. Okay. Hindi pa uwi kasi mag-umuryot yun. Ay.
Ano na? It's so rocky. Wow! Ayan o, ang taas o. Scary. Let's go, let's go. Hi, love. Hi.
Patrick, it's coming.
Don't jump!
No.
But they just jump. It's very dangerous.
Up.
Hello guys. I'm here. I did that.
So where are we already?
And the resort.
And you like it here? Let us show them the resort, okay? What are you eating?
Fries.
Okay.
Which bird is edit today?
I don't know. Go, go, go.
I'm okay.
Go na, love. Swim na ikaw.
I'm still floating.